Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the second PUC accountancy class. In previous class, we have started the second unit. We have completed with profit and loss appropriation account. Today, we will be starting with calculation of interest on capital. So, take the first problem under this. So, this is the problem. Take a screenshot of it. Let us learn how to calculate the interest on capital. So this illustration says about there are two partners, that is Saloni and Srishti. Saloni and Srishti are partners in the firm. Their capital accounts as on April 1st, 2016 showed a balance of rupees 2 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. So their capital is 2 lakh and 3 lakh. On July 1st, 2016, Saloni introduced additional capital of rupees 50,000 and Srishti rupees 60,000. So they will introduce a additional capital, both the partners. So that is 50,000 and 60,000. On October 1st, Saloni withdrew rupees 30,000 and on January 1st, 2016, Srishti withdrew rupees 15,000. So the drawings of the partners are given here. Interest is allowed at 8% per annum. So the interest is 8%. So now they have said us to calculate interest payable on capital to both the partners during the financial year 2016 and 2017. So now let us know how to calculate the interest on capital. So I'll show you here solution for that. Hope you have taken the problem. So first we will calculate the interest on capital for the partner Saloni. For Saloni, so our capital is 2 lakh. So interest on rupees 2 lakh. This is for full year. So 2 lakh into 8%, that is equals to 16,000 rupees. She has also introduced the additional capital, interest on 50,000. She has introduced the additional capital 50,000. So when did she introduce the additional capitals here? Sonali introduced the additional capital of rupees 50,000 and 60,000. On July they have introduced. So when they have introduced, for July they have introduced. So only from July we have to calculate July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So 9 months. For 9 months we have to calculate on additional capital. This is the additional capital into 8% into 9 by 12. So they have introduced on July. So it comes to 3,000. Okay. So the total interest is 19,000. They also withdrew the money, right? They also withdrew the money. So see the problem here. On October 1st, Saloni withdrew rupees 30,000. How much? 30,000 on October. So interest on 30,000, which is for 8%, and she withdrew on October. So October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. For 6 months we have to calculate it. So 6 by 12. As it is a drawings, we have to deduct it. So 30,000 into 8% into 6 by 12 is 1,200. So we have to deduct it as it is a drawings. So when we deduct 19,000 minus 1,200, it comes to 17,800. So the total interest is 17,800 for Sonali. Now let us calculate interest on capital for Srishti. Okay. Now interest on rupees 3 lakh, the capital of Srishti, 3 lakh for full year. This is for full year. So 3 lakh into 8%, we will get 24,000. So she also bought the additional capital. So interest on additional capital, that is she bought 60,000. So she also bought on the same date. So 60,000 into 8% into 9/12. That is equal to 3,600. So the total interest is 27,600. Even Srishti has withdrew the money, but see the date. On January 1st, 2016, Srishti withdrew the money of rupees 50,000 from their capitals. On January she has withdrew. From January you have to count. So January, February, March. For only 3 months we have to calculate the interest on drawings. As it is interest on drawings, we are deducting it. Interest on rupees 15,000 into 8% into 3/12. She withdrew on January. So 15,000 into 8% into 3 comes to 300 rupees. So 27,600 minus 300 is 27,300. So this is the total interest. So you have got it. Hope you have got the point. So take a screenshot of it. Hope you have taken the problem screenshot. I will show you this problem once again. So this is the problem. Take a screenshot of it. Hope you have taken it. And this is the solution for that problem. So hope you can see the solution. Take a screenshot of it and take it down in your notes. This is the calculation of interest on capital. So thank you.